Blessing subscribers. Right about now, people, John was star. Another sad news has reached newlink people, and yo, it is just terrible for know what. Oh my God. Well, Jamaica, every day we pray for change, every day we pray for a better. And honestly, people, wow, I don't know what wrong is men in Jamaica. What is wrong with these men and them head with jealousy, and them can't understand when them and a woman finish it over, let the woman move on with her life. What wrong with these men? Because right now, people, in a quiet community in Chilani, where them call Freeman's Hall people, you know what I mean, has recorded 3 murders, people, and to tell us, say, oh my gosh. Well, news has reached newlink people that this morning, right, a lady, yesterday now, a lady and her friend go to a party, you understand? So she returned, she and her friend, at about 4 a.m. in the morning. Them say she have a ex people who goes by the nickname of Milo, who always a stalker and a badder, always a give himself trouble. I don't know what Milo love mixing a people. Them say she have to make several reports to the police about this man, you understand, because them finish them over. Well, people, them say they don't know what went in a Milo head and what happened to Milo. But Milo decide say this morning him lay wait the woman, as me tell you, 4 a.m. in the morning when them return, and him start people, him slash the woman throat. Then him use him knife and stab her several times over her body. Him attack the man who and she go to the party, kill the man on the spot also. After that, him run and run. Somebody see him and ask him, say, because he blood up on him and everything, and say, yo, what happened to you, man? How your blood up, so? He told the person that police are run him down and him cut him hand pan a zinc. So look after that, people, when them hear everybody in the community, you want go and say the murder, go on and them find the woman dead and the man dead, because everybody has say what? And next man I go say, yo, look at the mile of it with some blood pan it, and then everybody start think twice. And when them comes a boom now, people, and them make a check, if you tell you the truth, them find Milo hanging from a tree. Hanging, people, you know what I mean? In the end now, people, look at this. Milo gone, you know, kill himself, kill the woman, kill the man. What wrong with these men in a Jamaica? Them say the woman make several reports to the police about this man, and him obsession is him cannot get over him woman. Why him could move on? Look how much woman in a Jamaica. And him find and himself say him a go take out the woman life, take the other man life, and take for him life. And that him feels a serve him right. When man day, you not remember God. You ain't go to Sunday school. You ain't go to Sabbath school. You parents ain't grow up in a church. Born no heart gone. My viewers and my subscribers, it is sad and it's terrible, and we are pray for the man they make a change in their life. Any local evil thinking now, so we're not going to kill no woman, killing herself or what. If we're not a woman in a relationship and she finish, if she give a bun, let she be. You understand? We know that someone as my son in enough video, not spending much money on a woman, let the woman then be virgin. We're not going to find something else. Move on. Enough is enough now, man. It's a shame. Channel. My viewers and my subscribers, you don't know this is newlink, you know, from newlink production. I mean, say attack, and I just pray, and you know, this lady's soul rest in peace, and the other brother there, and Milo, may your soul rest in hell. So my viewers and my subscribers, enough love, you know, enough respect, and please remember to do subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell icon, so when newlink drop a video, you will get them. Blessings, people. I mean, say attack. Bless up, pick up.